solar industry has grown quite a bit and storage has become part of it. What are the considerations that go through your head when you're thinking about pairing solar and BESS?
Is this an existing PV system that we're tying BESS into, or is this a new project altogether? If it's an existing PV system that's already operating and running and you want to add BESS, then it's very easy. We go with an AC coupled battery energy storage system. But if this project is new, it's a new BESS site, nothing's been developed yet, then we can go with the DC coupled battery energy storage system. So that's one main thing that I consider if the client has not already figured out what they want to do and the equipment that goes into the BESS system.
What are some issues that pop up and other considerations that are often overlooked when designing BESS projects?
There's been a lot of news articles recently regarding BESS systems. For example, there was a fire on a utility scale BESS system. You see EV vehicles, quote unquote, exploding or, being on fire. And lithium battery fire is very different from your traditional fire, right? You just gotta let it burn out until it's done. A lot of times, townships, as well as AHJ departments, they are very concerned with this issue. So some of the questions that may arise is, how do you plan to mitigate this fire? What are some of the mitigation methods? More often than not, we see those concerns. Sometimes it's something that developers and EPCs don't really understand or they haven't looked into it. So we do recommend that they kind of take a look at that and make sure that's all been taken care of. And there's fire mitigation companies that specifically work on BESS systems.
What are some of the ways that you mitigate this?
There are external fire suppression capabilities where there really is a system. A sensor is triggered. They operate in a radius where they can, somehow try to quell down the fire. But there's also other sensors and other mitigation systems that are embedded into the BESS system, into the container themselves, so that before the fire actually happens, they could just shut off the entire equipment.